You should own your property free and clear. I think to say that someone that's been in their house for 35 years just has to keep ponying up money, you don't own your home if that's the case. And if I go to Best Buy and buy a flat screen TV and put it on the wall, I got to pay a sales tax on it, right? I don't keep paying tax on it every year. I mean, that's not how we do things. It's like, okay, if you're going to tax something, you tax it at the transaction and then let people actually enjoy their private property free and clear of the government.
Well, he's exactly right. There's no question about it. When you purchase a piece of real estate, not only are you paying the sales tax on that, particularly if you're building the house from scratch, you're paying sales tax on every piece of building material that you purchase at the retail level for the building of that house. And now you pay a property tax year after year after year to county governments. That's really a wealth tax. And that wealth tax has the capacity to actually reduce wealth. And when we have local governments that are out of control in terms of their spending, like most governments, for example, in the state of Minnesota, the state of California, some of these eastern states that are very high tax, these local governments are out of control and they have the capacity to literally tax you out of your property. That is unjust and it's unfair. There's just no question about that. The better idea is a broad-based consumer retail sales tax at the point of purchase on all consumer goods and services. You pay the tax one time, you're done. You're not repeatedly answering to the government over and over again. I've said this 1,000 times over the years. If you think you own your home, just stop paying the real estate tax. And in Minnesota, it took a United States Supreme Court decision to slap down the state of Minnesota's capacity to sell property. You might have, in this state, there was a point in time where you might have had, let's say, $200,000 equity in a piece of property, and you were, let's say, $10,000 or $15,000 delinquent on your real estate tax. The county could seize the property and sell it entirely and use all of the proceeds, keep the proceeds. It took a Supreme Court decision to stop that. You should own your property when you pay for it free and clear, and the state and the local governments should be out of your pocket at that point.